Good day, students. Today I want to consider a topic titled Scalar and Vector. What is a vector quantity? Vector quantities are those quantities that has both magnitude and direction. They have been described by both magnitude and direction. Example of vector quantities are acceleration, velocity, displacements, and so on. And we have scalar quantity, those quantities that are being used to describe, that are being described by magnitude only. Example, mass, distance. Okay, let's see what's on the board. Scalar quantities, they are quantities that are completely described by magnitude only, temperature, mass. Vector quantity, they are quantities that need both magnitude, that is size, and directions to completely describe them, e.g. force, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Vector is represented by an arrow. The arrowhead is used to describe or to represent the directions of the quantity. Okay, now let's see the formula. Unit vector is vector A over modulus magnitude of the vector or modulus of the vector. And when you have k dot k give you 1, I dot I give you 1, j dot j give you 1, I dot j give you 0, I dot k give you 0, j dot k give you 0. We are multiplying the same expression, that is k dot k, give you 1. But when they are different, it give you 0. Okay, now dot product of vector is vector A dot B. Angle between two vectors cos theta equals to vector A dot vector B over the modulus of each of them. See, magnitude of A, that's just used to represent it. Now let's see example. Find example 1. We have to find the modulus of A. When you're having A, vector A to be equals to 3i plus 4j. Vector A you are using is xi plus yj. Now look for the modulus of vector A will be equals to square root of x squared plus y squared. Okay, which is equals to, don't forget that I squared, when you square I will be 1. That's why I didn't put it here. J squared will be 1. Now you have modulus of vector A equals, what's our x? X is 3. 3 squared plus 4 squared, which is square root of 9 plus 16. That's square root of 25, which is 5 units. Okay, now let's the B part of it. This is A part. The B part, that's vector A equals 3i minus 2j plus 1k. Let's look for the modulus of the vector A. In this case, we don't forget that it will be square root of x squared plus y squared plus z squared. Okay, z stands for 1. Now you now have modulus of A, in this case will be square root of, what's our x? 3 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 1 squared. You now have square root of 9 minus 2 squared, that's 4 plus 1, which is square root of 14 units. Okay, 14 units. Square root of 14 units. Now, the example 2. Example 2. We are given A. You have to find the unit vector of A. Unit vector, don't forget, equals vector A over modulus of vector A. Now, what's modulus of vector A? Vector A will be square root of x squared plus y squared, which is equals to, what do you have? What's our x? modulus of vector A equals x is what? 3 squared plus 2 squared, which is square root of 9 plus 4, which is square root of 13. What's square root of 13? Square root of 13, you have it to be 3.61. Okay, 3.61. Now let's look for the modulus of B, the corresponding unit vector of A. Unit vector of A. Now, unit vector of A, which is, we use this symbol to represent unit vector of A, equals vector A over modulus of vector A, which is, what's vector A? Vector A, we are solving the A part. What's vector A? Is 3i plus 2j over modulus of A, that's square root of 13. Okay, now let's look for we have to look for the magnitude of A and B. We have gotten that. Let's look for the magnitude of B. Magnitude of B, which is square root of x squared plus y squared, which is 10 squared plus minus 7 squared, which is square root of 100 plus minus 7 squared, that's 49. Modulus of vector B equals square root of 149. Square root of 149, square root of 149 is 12.21. 12.21. Okay, now the next one is that you have to look for the magnitude of A and B. This magnitude of A is square root of 14 units, which is magnitude of A, is square root of 13, which is 3.61. Now we have to look for angle between vector A and B. That's cos theta. Look at the formula. Cos theta equals A dot B, and let's look for A dot vector A multiplied by vector B, which is equals to, what's vector A? Vector A, that's the C part, so B part, this is B part, but I've gotten the modulus of vector A, which is this. Okay, we have angle, we have to multiply A. What's our A? Our A is 3i plus 2j multiplied by 10i minus 7j. Let's multiply it. 3i, now write it like this. 3i multiplied by 10i. Okay, 3i multiplied by 10i, 3 plus 3i multiplied by minus 7j plus 2j multiplied by 10i plus 2j multiplied by minus 7j. Okay, this one we turn to 0 because I dot j is 0. It will be 0. This one also will be 0. Now you have 3 times 10, that's 30i squared. 2 times 7, that's 14 minus 14j squared. Is equals to here, equals to I squared is 1. 30 minus 14, which is 16. Okay, now you now write it cos theta equals 16. When you follow this formula, 16 divided by square root of 16 divided by modulus of a, which is 3.61, times modulus of b, 12.21, also 16 divided by, when you multiply the denominator, you're having 44.0781. You now have cos theta equals, when you divide it, you're having 0.3630. Theta now equals to cos inverse of 0.3630. Your angle now equals 68.72 degree, is approximately 69 degree. This is the end of our class. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can have access to the latest video. Have a wonderful day.